Hi guys, welcome back. Well, this road shows the beautiful view of Cape Town, and it's even more nicer when you see it in the evenings with the lights on. It's so incredibly beautiful, guys. It can be a little windy too, especially during the nights. So anytime you come here, make sure you got some jackets on, alright? But guys, guess what? As we are approaching the Table Mountains, when you look up there, you can clearly see something up there that we call the Lion's Head. But I'll tell you later why it's called the Lion's Head. But for now, just enjoy the rest of this beautiful view. As you can see, the view is such a beautiful place, and it's such a busy place as well. You can see tourists coming from all over the globe. They come here to do so many fun activities, take pictures, record videos and stuff like that. You can see tourists doing all these things, guys. And tell me in the comment section what you think about the Table Mountain. Is it a place where you want to bring your kids, to have fun, once in a while? I know there are a lot of people in the diaspora who are planning to come to Africa, the motherland. It doesn't just have to be just South Africa, but some parts of Africa. But if you're planning to come to South Africa, would you want to bring your kids here? Just tell me in the comment section and tell me which part of the world you're watching from. What do you think about my avatar, guys? Don't I look cool? Don't you host look cool? What do you think about my pink hoodies and my sneakers? Oh my god, I'm having so much fun here. And I hope you guys give it a try soon. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. We are currently at Signal Hill, guys. This is actually where, just around the Table Mountain, and this is actually where people take off with parachutes. You can see one over there, they're taking off like that. You can see the view, and the water is such a beautiful sight. Oh my god, it's just incredible. I'm so excited to be here. And it's my honor and privilege to bring you incredible sights and sounds of Cape Town, South Africa. As you can see, it's not just a place where people take off with parachutes, but looking at my right, you can see people there during late afternoons. People actually come here to dine, have fun. It's like have a little picnic. You can see people all around the place. They eat, they have fun and stuff like that. Oh my god, I'm having such fun, guys. And I hope you guys get to experience this one day. Oh my gosh, I'm even tired from exhaustion. As you can see, I was climbing a little stairs there. And here currently, guys, this place is called the Lion's Head. This is actually the symbol of the Lion's Head. And it's closer to the mountain. People don't usually use cable cars to go up there because they are pretty scared. So they do a little bit of hiking. But unfortunately, I can't do that today, guys. I'm exhausted. So I'll be right back. Guys, we are now at Camps Bay. I'm excited. I came here once and I'm excited to return again. You can see the people here. You can see the view and the river. It has this bluish color and it's so clean and the environment is so serene. I'm excited to return to this place again. Oh, it's such a beautiful place. It has this va-va-va-va-boom. Welcome back, guys. We are now at the Camps Bay Beach, guys. It's a lovely place. Take a look around. And right beside us can see the lion's head. Oh my God, it's such a beautiful sight. So guys, basically my family and I decided to have a stop over here to have a little lunch because we must eat. We have to eat. We are kind of hungry, you know. And this is my beautiful niece. She's called Nanekria. Nanekria, say hi to the camera. Hi. And this is my handsome nephew. He's called Aaron. Aaron, say hi. Hello. And this man right here is called Sabelo. Oh my God, he's a friend. He's also a friend of my brother and his family. And he was kind enough to bring us around this place. Yes, so thank you, Sabelo. Thank you so much. Yeah, so we're having some lunch. Guys, as you can see, I took off my hoodies, you know. I'm just enjoying the breeze. You can feel the breeze coming from here. And as you can see the water over there. You can see it's so clean and so fresh. And I like the color, you know, the color is kind of blue. And I'm so in love with this place, guys. Welcome to Cape Town. Let me see you smiling. Put on your dancing shoes. Cape Town welcomes you guys. This is Cape Town, guys. When we talk about Cape Town, this is Cape Town. This is such a beautiful sight, guys. And look at the beach and look at the water over there. Like I said earlier, it's just so peaceful and quiet. And it's just so, it has this bluish color. And I'm so liking this place. I'm loving this place, guys. Oh my God. I'm excited to be here, guys. And I'm excited to bring you this beautiful place. You can see this is Camps Bay Beach, right? This is Camps Bay Beach. And it's such a beautiful place. You can see people from all over the world. They are here having fun, enjoying the breeze and so on. Guys, we are now in another part of the city. This is the Hout Bay, just like the Camps Bay. And it's also equally a beautiful place with so many people here. And as you can see, let me give you a view around the place. There's a little water here. I actually saw a seal here, but I think it's no longer here. It's a beautiful place. You can see people all around the place having a lot of fun activities. Some people are swimming. You can see the river here. Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. There's so many people around having fun. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be here, guys. It's my honor to bring you this beautiful view. Yes, we are currently in Chapman's Peak, man. This is the peak that shows the beautiful place of Cape Town, South Africa. It also has a very extreme serene environment. You can see the clouds all over the place. I'm standing here. This is a risk I'm taking, guys. I'm so scared, but I have to do this, man. Look at that view. Look at the clouds. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And I'm so in love. This looks like, this color is more or less like a, is it blue or greenish color? I can't really explain it, but it's so beautiful, guys. So when we talk of Chapman's Peak, this is Chapman's Peak, guys. Look at that mountain over there. Look at that mountain, guys. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I don't even know what to say. As you can see, there's lots and lots of people here. There's a lot of cars parked here. A lot of people come here, you know. Point. Okay, this is Cape Point, the tip of Africa, where two oceans actually meet. I wanted to go inside and show you guys, but unfortunately, due to circumstances beyond my control, we can't go in. Okay, but enjoy the view, enjoy the view, enjoy the place, guys. Thank you. I'm currently in Simonstown, and I'm finally at the end of the Cape Town tour video. If you're able to watch to this round, I say thank you so much for supporting a sister. I'm awfully sad about it, but what can I do? There's nothing I can do. I wish we could go further and further, but we have come to the end of this tour. So I just want to get interactive with you guys. So tell me what you think in the comment section. I just want you to like, comment, and subscribe and be part of the Jackie fam, okay? And also remember to hit the notification button so that anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching till this round. God bless you until I see you again in my next video. I say have a nice day. Bye.